Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to enable or disable memory compression in Windows 11 or Windows 10 using simple PowerShell commands. Memory compression is a built-in Windows feature that helps improve system performance by compressing unused memory pages instead of writing them to disk. This reduces disk usage and can improve speed, especially on systems with limited RAM. Before we begin, let me show you how to check if memory compression is enabled on your computer. For this, right-click on the taskbar on free space and select Task Manager option. Then choose Performance tab in the left sidebar. Now click on Memory. And here you can see in use compressed. That means compression is enabled on your Windows PC. To enable compression or disable compression, first click on the start button, then type here PowerShell. In PowerShell entry, right click and select run as administrator option. In case Windows prompts, click yes. Now to enable to disable, you need to type this one command: Disable-MMAgent space -MC. After that, press enter. This will disable, and to enable, you need to replace this one disable with enable. Enable-MMAgent space -MC. After that, press enter on the keyboard. This will enable memory compression on your Windows. I will put these both commands in this one video description. In case you need it, you can copy it. That's all about this video. Bye.